Hey everyone, this is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. If you really want to learn English speaking, you have a desire of learning English speaking. That is totally depend upon your desire, that how much you are totally agreed that you have a strong desire and you have to work towards your desire. That is, desire become opportunity, and how much you time, how much you give time to seek the opportunity that you have to learn English speaking. That is totally upon your desire. Desire have so many meanings. Someone person have a desire to become a rich, someone have a desire to be a very successful throughout their qualification throughout their life, and someone have a desire that I have to learn English speaking because it's really good for my future. It's really good that I have to do any job with a better company, because English is really important if you want to work in a abroad, if you want to work in a multinational company. But that is totally depend upon your desire, and you have to work towards your desire. You don't need to quit. Some point of time you feel that this is the point that I have to quit because I can't handle it, I can't accomplish my target, I can't capable of speaking English, and I have to quit. Because if you are stick on your desire, if you are stick on your work, you will definitely learn English speaking, because that is the only way. You have to struggle and you have to cope up every difficult situation that can pass in your past. So just remember that you have to learn English speaking, and you will definitely do it with your desire. If you work it totally, you put so much effort to do a hard for learning English speaking. And I will definitely know that you can speaking in English, you capable of speaking in English in front of anyone, in front of public, in front of your boss, your colleague. But you have to stick on your work, and you have to build a strong desire that I have to learn English speaking. That's it in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And if you have any query, just comment me. I will definitely make a video that really helpful for you. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.